1942. 1942, 1 shilling. 1942, 1 shilling. Paid debt, IND, IMP. So that is 1942, 1 shilling. Very rare. That is 82 years old queen. And the front is the photo of Georgiev's 6D GBROMN Rex. That is the photo of this queen. Then the year is 1942. 1942. 82 years old queen. 1 shilling. 1 shilling. Paid debt, IND, IMP. 1942. 1 shilling. So very rare also. 82 years old. This is the photo of Alfonso or Georgiev's 6D GBROMN Rex. And the year is 1942. 1 shilling. 1942. 1 shilling. Paid debt, IND, IMP. 1 shilling. 1942. If ID debt, IND, IMP. 1 shilling. 1942. 1942. And the front page is Georgiev's. Georgiev's 6D. Georgiev's 6D. GBROMN Rex. So that is the picture of Georgiev's 6D. And the front is FID feed rep IND IMP 1942. 1942. 1 shilling.